Hi guys, how you doing? Right, my name's Matt. Welcome to my little studio. We've been working on some things. First of all, let's say apologies. I haven't been around much over the past month or so. Things got difficult with parents, both being taken into hospital and such. And I really didn't feel like filming progress on anything. I have been working on stuff. Mainly this little fella. So I'm going to turn this camera around and we're going to have a look at him, if that's all right with you. So I'd like to welcome Venom to the studio. Venom's been kicking my butt over the last few weeks, but he's gone into submission and I've won. Now, I haven't done any filming on this, so I should have. There is a lot of things that I've put into this that I don't usually do, and I'll try and describe how I did it in the simplest forms. So, let me get me dry brush. Okay, so this is my pot of brushes. Pretty much everything in there. Now, this is my dry brush. And I love this dry brush. It's a medium Otisarpus Series D, which is dry brush. It's got a nice end to it, a bit feathery, nice and soft. Again, I used a lot of this on my models, and I'm trying to talk loud enough because there's kids outside being noisy. That just right. So, where did we start? Okay, I started with the eyes. So let's get in and have a look at the eyes. These eyes have so much detail. And I'll get the light. I'll show you. These eyes have so many layers. There is blue, there is pink, there is purple, there is red, there is a nice ghost grey, which basically I did this all over. Wait for it to dry, and got on some quite wet white paint and did exactly the same again on both sides, and then give it a bit of a blue wash, and then give it a bit of pink wash, and that's what we now. Okay, that did up there is exactly what I did on his chest. Oh, let's move it. And we have some veins, and we have some blues and reds and purples. And what I did exactly on there, I did exactly on the back, which was, so you still see some purple in there and in there, and on the hand we have some purple, so we have some bluey purple, and we have some reddy purple. Okay, same technique, dab 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 on the exactly what I did. Okay, the teeth and the used some AK. I wanted to try this AK paint tape, so it was that one with a bit of that one over the top and a bit of Agrax Earthshade Grey, brown over the top, and then gloss varnish, and that was easy. Okay, a bit of dust on there. Get off. Right. Now, the skin colour is black. This is the black. It's got some blue in it, which I cannot remember which one it was. From the amount that's in this bottle, it was probably that one. So it was about 90% black, 10% blue, and we got this nice, almost black paint finish. Okay. Now for the interesting part. There are shadows and there are highlights. So what I used as the 10% on this, I did a highlight over the top, which you can see up on top there, on top of the arm, on top of there, on there, it's blue, but then you got a different colour, which is not that one, I think it was this one, X-Lichen. X-Lichen was used as a, from below, dry brushed in, so basically dry brush and then rub up. There's some there, some on his chin, under his arm, under his arm, in there, on the leg, exactly the same. We have some blue, and we have some purple. So we got a blue there. We have a bit of purple on this edge. So blue that edge, purple that edge, blue. Yeah. So it's weird. Across the back, you can still see that's the same kind of technique I've used. Some blue there. We've got some purple there. Some purple underneath there. Some blue on top. There's some blue. There you go. There's some blue. Okay, once that is all dried, I got some Venom Express Colour Black Lotus, which isn't black, it's blue, and just brushed on the whole dark areas on this model and let it dry, and it has come out fantastic. I love it. So what you're seeing now is the blue, and the purple, and that is underneath a wash of this stuff. It's neat, it's not watered down. A little bit of dust going on. Right. The veins on his arm is just black. It's plain black. That's it. Just black. And then we put some Vallejo matte varnish over the top. And as for the gloss on there, it's Vallejo gloss varnish. And that's that. Now, I'm going to move this camera, point it down a little bit. Let's talk the base. The base is game colour. Extra opaque heavy black green. Okay, and that I mixed with some of this bone white, just to give it a little bit of a lift, and then washed it with 50-50 with water, Black Lotus, wait for that to dry, and then some Agrax Earthshade over the top. The wood on there was chocolate brown with some, I won't say mahogany brown over the top, and that was also with, oh my goodness, I want to say sand. I think I mixed a bit of sand with it and give it a wash. That's that. The stonework is exactly the same as what I do with all my stonework, apart from I changed from the dark grey to Stonewall grey. Okay, Stonewall grey, and then on top of that was, I can't remember. It could have been deck tan. No, deck tan, and then some bone white over the top. Nope, not even bone white over the top. Right, so that is that. If I knew what I was using, it'd be great. I have to take some notes. So that's that, and that was washed with some Agrax Earthshade, and it's gotten a bit filthy and disgusting, and it's all good. So that's a run through. So there he is. Ooh. Let me know what you think. I think this is fantastic. I'm going to leave him in the studio for a bit because I just like looking at it. Right. Thanks a lot, guys. I'll see you on the next video.